the last few inches. A suspended steel plate swings slightly in the air. Anyone, not enough to stop the job, just enough for a worker to react instinctively. His hand reaches forward. One small movement, one routine correction. And suddenly, everything changes. The strange part is, everyone in that plant had seen that movement before, hundreds of times, maybe thousands. Because in industrial work, danger rarely arrives looking dangerous, it arrives looking normal. Welcome to The Last Few Inches. Season 1, The Invisible Exposure. This season is about the moments workers stopped noticing, the small adjustments, the final corrections, the instinctive hand movements that slowly became part of industrial work itself. Inside steel plants, offshore rigs, fabrication yards, and heavy industrial operations around the world, workers perform tasks every day that feel completely routine. Loads move, chains tighten, hooks rotate, and somewhere inside those ordinary moments, people begin trusting instinct more than the system around them. That is where exposure begins, not at the injury, not at the accident, but long before contact ever happens. In the episodes ahead, you will hear stories about workers guiding suspended loads with hands because that's how it has always been done. You will enter offshore operations where touch feels like control until movement proves otherwise. You will discover why the most dangerous moment of a task is often the final few inches before completion, and why some industrial leaders are beginning to ask a completely different question. Not, how do we protect the hand? But, why did the task require the hand there at all? Because once you begin seeing industrial work through exposure instead of injury, you start realizing something uncomfortable. The danger was never hidden, it was normalized, and this season begins right there.